Yeah, the weather is so cold. This is the coldest day in this year. This is very unusual.
Yes.
We have more than 20 warm winters in Beijing.
Next week is warmer.
Yeah.
You want?
Excuse me?
We are living in Switzerland.
You're living in Switzerland, so you're used to those cold weather.
Yeah, but not so cold.
Okay, not so good. There are many ski resorts in Beijing. You can go ski someday.
He doesn't ski.
Really?
I do though, and she does.
Okay, that is nice. Oh, here we are at the Eastern Palace Gate of the Summer Palace, which is guarded by 2 bronze lions. So did you go to the Forbidden City?
Yeah. So one's a female, one's a male.
Yeah, which one is the male?
The one with the bull.
The bull.
Yeah.
The bull represents the emperor, the ruler of the whole universe.
Yeah.
Well, the female over there playing with a baby cub.
Yeah.
Yes.
Representing the emperor's royal family's offspring, enjoy the prosperity.
But isn't like circle represents the heaven, and the square represents earth?
That's correct. Yeah, like in the Temple of Heaven, everything was circular shaped, because where is the heaven? Heaven was round, and there's a temple called Temple of Earth, where all the buildings are squarely shaped. Okay, so here the Summer Palace, where is the place where for the emperors and the empress dowager to come to stay away from the hot summer times.
Oh, so it's like a cooling area.
Yeah, there's this area. They have a huge lake over here, and this was the place where about 4 times the size larger than the Forbidden City. Where is about 3 or 4 degrees lower than in the city, so it's cooler, nice and cool. Emperor and empress would stay here from April to October for each of year. Especially for that lady, the dragon lady. She was very powerful, ruled the country for 48 years. She spent a lot of time in this place. And the Summer Palace was rebuilt actually for this lady. All right? Yeah. So we need to go through that gate over here. Shall we?
But won't the emperors and empresses stay in the Forbidden City?
Yes.
But also here?
Also here.
Oh. But they're pretty far away.
Yeah, 20 kilometers.
Yeah.
The empress or the emperor either come here by taking the sedan chair or the dragon boat. They can take the boat to the Summer Palace.
Wait, was there like a river?
Yes, there's like a water canal which connects the Beijing Zoo and to the Summer Palace together, but not to the Forbidden City. Let's stay here. Yeah, you learn a lot of stories about those the stones, the gardens, and the emperors.
Learned that from our last day.
Okay. The city of Beijing has a history of more than 3,000 years, and there are a lot of stories and a lot of historical and cultural stuff in those gardens and the Forbidden City. And so here, the first main building in the Summer Palace, it is called Hall of Benevolence and Longevity, because Confucius said that if you are benevolent, you could enjoy longevity. So it's given the name Hall of Benevolence and Longevity. Here was actually the place where for the emperor and the dragon lady to handle state affairs and giving audiences to those high-ranking officials and ministers during their stay in the Summer Palace. So it is called. It seems like a office building for the dragon lady or for the emperor. There are 4 pieces of rock in this courtyard. They are the symbols of 4 seasons. So smart. And there's another one out here, which is a symbol of longevity, because from afar it looks like the Chinese character longevity, to celebrate the dragon lady's birthday. Ever heard of her? This lady, dragon lady, very powerful.
That was the mother of the emperor.
Yeah, the emperor.
Oh yeah, the 4-year-old emperor, right?
Yeah. Actually, yeah, she had 3 baby emperors. Her son, at the age of 6, became the emperor. Her nephew became the emperor at the age of 4, and the last emperor also designated for that by this lady. So they are all puppet emperors. And the Summer Palace was seriously damaged or nearly destroyed in 1860 by
It
the,
got burnt right
By invaders.
by the invaders in 1860, and they had it rebuilt in 1888 for this lady, for the dragon lady.
not too long ago.
Not too long ago. 1888. Compared to Beijing's history, it is not long ago. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is built for that lady. In Chinese, the name of this place should be translated as the Palace of Cultivated Harmony, like the place for her taking a good, harmonious life. There's the animal out here, standing right in front of the building. That is a mythical animal. No, it is called not a dragon. It's called kylin. Kylin, this animal is like a combination of the different animals, like the head of an ox, the antlers of a deer, the body of a lion, and the hoofs of a horse. So, that is a symbol of auspiciousness or good luck. It believed that this animal can bring the good luck or the happiness to the emperor and the dragon lady.